hectic year. Now that we're finally done with 13 years of schooling, we decided to take a year off and to travel. So yeah, we're doing it. We're traveling the world.
We've been traveling a lot this past year, but with a low student budget, we've done it mostly here in Norway. And we've done a lot. I mean, we tried to jump off every cliff here and bridge. We've wakeboarded the fjords, surfed behind a 600 horsepower boat. We've climbed a huge amount, like the Pulpit Rock, waterfalls, and snowy mountains. Then snowboarded download. We basically road tripped and experienced new memories several times a month. You get the point. We've done a lot here in Norway. Now we want to do something totally new. That's why, in a few days, we're traveling from Norway down to Asia. And from then on, we have 3.5 months to travel this part of the world. So yeah, we're going to Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and even Australia. And of course, to do this, we all had to get daily jobs. So yeah, we did. Tove got a job at a school, helping kids in need. Nele got a job as a shop assistant at a sports store. Jacob got a job at a burger restaurant as a waiter. And I got a job at Subway, making sandwiches. We worked at these jobs for like 4 months every single day to save up for this trip. So yeah, now that we're finally quitting, we're traveling this part of the world. And if you want to see that, we'll be posting every single week. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you
in Asia.